Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact YouTube Music support. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your YouTube Music application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, where exactly can you download YouTube Music? You can get it on Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone, or you can get it on Apple Store if you're using an iPhone. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type YouTube Music and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. Now, I'd like you to know that YouTube Music is integrated into your Google account, so signing up is hassle-free. Now, after signing in, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in YouTube Music. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to contact YouTube Music support. So let's say you have an issue with the YouTube Music application and you want to give a feedback or you want to seek help. Here's exactly how you can contact YouTube Music support. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have your profile picture. Click on that and that takes you to this window where you have a couple of options, which include your channel, downloads history, your recap, paid membership, switch account, settings, help, and feedback. Go ahead and click on help and feedback, and that takes you right into the help desk. From here, you can ask the help community, or you can go ahead and click on contact us, or you can explore any of the FAQs or the popular resources, help resources available for you. So go ahead and click on contact us if you want to contact them directly. Let's say the issue is pressing. So click on that. Now it says, tell us what we can help you with. Go ahead and enter what you want within 0 to 100 text or 100 words. Then if you have resources, add, and then these are the contact options you're definitely going to help you with. So just follow through with this prompt and you'll be in touch with YouTube Music. This is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.